Jowevators here at the Swedish Medical Center garages. You think 2's the lowest? Or 3?
Yes. No, we find out.
Wow, this thing is beat. Look at all the visitor stickers. Yep, 2's the lowest. Six-story hydro. 6?
7.
The whole cab shakes.
Out of the basement up here. The hanging glands are being held on by tape.
Oh, wait, here, get out of the way. Never mind.
But your guy works.
No, it's the sensor.
Oh, is it?
Dude, look at this.
Yeah, I know. We're also 6 floors high right now.
Yeah. EMS phone, I see. Yep. Oh, it's glued.
Oh yeah, they did. They glued it.
MG1.
Wait, isn't it 4 where we go on?
Yeah.
See,
Spooky.
wait, why is the machine room on 2? Oh wait, 2's the bottom.
Very worn out floor.
Ouch,
Sort of thing is
basement.
worn.